sorry. I just got 2 rats today. I'm gonna try to get. Sorry. They're in that little shoebox. You can't see them. I'll make another video on them so you can actually see what they look like. Oh, you can see a little tail there, though. And they are in the cage and everything. Just got them today. And just put this back on. There's a rat. I gotta make a better video on this tomorrow. So, bye.